Indira Gandhi National Open University Term and Examination June 2022 Elective course in Sociology Society in India ESO 1-2 Program code BDP Course code ESO 1-2 Maximum marks 100 Weightage 30% Answer all the questions Section 1 Answer the following questions in about 500 words each. Explain the impact of economic liberation on rural economy in India. Discuss the boards of unity in India. Section 2. Answer the following questions in about 250 words each. Discuss the defining characteristics of a town. What are the major problems encountered by scheduled tribes in India? Differentiate between classifier and descriptive kinship terms. Discuss the changes forming of family in Indian society. Section 3. Answer the following questions in about 100 words each. Explain the concept of dominant caste. What do you understand by westernization?